Hi everyone. Today we are going to talk about data types in Python. So there are three main types, which are there are five main types in Python. First one is none type. Second is numerical data type. Third one is set. Fourth is mapping, and fifth one is sequence. So uh, so firstly we're gonna talk about none type. So none type are represented by empty objects, empty value. We call them null in Java or C++, and yeah, so this is none type. Now about numerical data types. There are three classification in numerical data type: integer, float, and complex. Integer are the integer numbers, and in Python we don't have any limit. They are unlimited, and we can store them as many as you want. Means with highest negative to highest positive we can store them, and they are without floating decimal point or fraction part. And about floating numbers, floating data type is have a number with a decimal, represented by a number with a decimal, and they can be negative or positive, minus 0.5942 or plus 3.75, etc. And floating points are also have are denotes the scientific notation, and you can type 0.42 E67. So E, small e or capital E, represents the mathematical exponential, and so you can store them as such. And also we can use 10 to the power minus 32 or whatever, and inside that inside the code, it will actually store that number as float number. If you do 2 to the power 10 2 into 10 to the power minus 32, it will store that into float type data type. Now let's talk about complex. So complex number are in the form of a plus b j. So here a represents a number, b also a number, and j is the complex okay. So j a is the real part, b is the imaginary part, and j is the minus 1, under root minus 1, that. So so this is the complex number, and we can represent that in Python. And now let's come to binary, and binary number, hexadecimal number, and octal number. So binary numbers are represented in Python by using 0, capital B, or small b. If we use 0, small b, 0, 1, 0, then it will be stored as binary number. And about hexadecimal number, we use suffix as 0, small x, or capital X. In octal number we use the suffix not suffix, prefix, as 0, o, capital O, or small o. So yeah, this is it for now, and next data type, we will talk about next data type in next video. Thank you for watching.